All right, hello everyone. I'm just going to run through these notes really quickly. The second set of tectonics notes. I put this question in there. What's the main force responsible for moving tectonic plates based off of the previous set of notes? So this one is convection currents. So all three of these are responsible for moving tectonic plates, but the main one is convection currents. Right, so this map shows volcanoes, earthquakes. This shows tectonic plates and the boundaries and the directions that those are moving. If you put one on top of the other, superimpose it, you can see that the vast majority of earthquakes and volcanoes take place on the plate boundaries. So plate boundaries is what we're going to talk about today. So the first type of boundary, diverging boundary. That's when plates are moving away from each other. Mid-Atlantic ridge is a great example. I'm just going to kind of go through these. Second type, converging boundary. So where plates are moving towards each other. So diverging, they're moving away from each other. Converging, they're moving towards each other. Subduction is something that happens there oftentimes. So one plate, another plate subducts under it. It gets pushed underneath it. Anytime you have oceanic plate and continental plate, the oceanic will get pushed underneath. It will be subducted underneath the continental because it's made of rock that has basaltic composition. It's more dense. Ocean. Volcanic island arc can form. It's a good example, Japan, the Philippines. If you have two continental plates, you have more of a collision. So an example of that would be the Himalayan mountains as India gets pushed north into the Eurasian plate. The third type is sliding boundary. So the plates are sliding past each other. I mean, more like this. Known as transform fault. San Andreas fault is a great example of that. Pangea was the name of the body of land when everything was all together in one body of land. Then how can continents grow? So crust can be scraped during subduction. Volcanoes can make continents grow, and also river deposits. So rivers carry sediment. When it enters the ocean, it slows down, deposits that sediment, and that can build up over time. So then this last question I threw on there, which set of arrows correctly describes plate movement at a converging, diverging, and sliding boundaries? That's B. So this is converging, they're moving together. This is diverging, moving apart, and B is sliding. So like I said, I'll just run through this real quick. Hope that helped. Have a good day.